Oh hey guys, today we're gonna make some healthy protein waffles. Alright guys, to make this, all you gotta do is take your favorite pancake or waffle mix, follow the instructions, and then add a scoop of protein powder. While you're making your mix, While you're making your batter, preheat your waffle iron. I have the Breville one, and this is the best one. It's very electronic, you know. Once it's ready and hot, you just pour your batter in. Evenly. Okay, now that it's in there, you close it and wait for the timer to finish cooking. While it's cooking, my favorite to put on top are strawberries. So we're gonna cut some strawberries. Go and get these leaves off, man. Well, yeah, you gotta make sure you clean your strawberries before. Boom, bang, boom. There you go, right, bang. Yeah, right here, boom, yep. Bang, bang, bang. That's how you do it. Very good. More. Boom. Bang. Bang. Look at that. One hand. Boom. Didn't even try. Boom. Oh yeah, by the way, this knife, the Wusthof, this is the best knife. Oh, #1 knife in the world. Let's check the waffles really quick. Oh, very nice, very nice. Alright guys, once the waffles are ready, I gotta get my toppings ready. So I love Nutella. I'm gonna have some Nutella with it, you know. And it's got 4 grams of protein, so very nice. Okay guys, that's the waffles, they're ready! Woo! Look at that, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at it. Oh. Beautiful. Alright, let's get our waffles out of there. Boom, just like that. Bang. You hear that crisp? Dang, I can't wait. Okay, so first we're gonna add the Nutella. Bada bing, bada boom, just like that. Bang. Ooh, yeah. You wanna make sure you spread it evenly so that it tastes very nice, you know, very good. Then we put this waffle over it, bang, just like that, so make like a sandwich. Then we take powdered sugar, bang, just like this, bada bing, bada boom, you know? And last but not least, we add the whipped cream. I like my whipped cream. Don't forget to add your strawberries on top, just like that. And finally, the syrup. Bada bing, bada boom, your healthy waffles are ready to eat. Let's get into this bad boy. Oh yeah, get some strawberries, get some waffles, some Nutella. Oh, it's hot. That's delicious. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Oh, like and subscribe. Very good. That looks so good, man.